In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy and remove activities from locations. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Activities. You should arrive at a list of your activities. To deploy an activity, click Deploy in the upper right-hand corner. Next, select the activity. I will scroll down and choose Close. Then choose the location you want to add this activity to. I will choose After Hours. If you changed your mind and you don't want to deploy this activity, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Now that activity has been deployed. To see a list of your deployments, click Deployments next to List at the top of the chart. You should now see a list of your deployments. If you look, you can see After Hours Close is in that list. If you changed your mind and you no longer want the activity Close added to After Hours, you can check the box next to that activity, then scroll all the way down and click Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that activity from that location. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. Now that activity has been removed. If I scroll back up, you'll see After Hours Close is no longer in this chart. To go back to your list of activities, click List next to Deployments. That's how you can deploy and remove activities from locations in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete activities.